Now, these football earrings are so quick and easy to paint. So I first started by taking the paper off, and then I used the tack cloth to remove any debris. And now I'm going to use Tule pen, the Essentials white. Gotta shake it. And this is the thin, I guess you could say extra fine tip. And all you have to do is, I like to start from the inside because I use the outer edge to hold the earring down while I'm painting. And you could start from top to bottom, left to right, whichever way works for you. And it's a quick coverage here. And there you have the laces, the stripes, football. Now I'm just gonna do the edge, the outer edge. It's really quick. And because this is quick drying, it is safe to apply pressure to the other side. And then just take a look to see if you need to make any kind of touch-ups. And there you have it. Now you can add any kind of connector or topper that you'd like. Maybe you want to make it for a team, representing a team. Maybe it's, I don't know, if you have like green and yellow, I think that's Green Bay. Or if you had green with the white, it could be the Jets. Or whatever football team you love and represent. What will you create? Thank you for watching today's tutorial, and have a lovely day. I enjoy completing the backs of the earrings. Right now this is the white birch wood from Southern Magnolia. So I'm just going to take a walnut stain furniture repair marker. You can find these on Amazon. I have an affiliate link in the description below. So I just quickly take a light pass over the wood. Once again, applying some light pressure to hold down the blank. And then same thing again. Now you don't have to finish them, but I like to. So there you have that. Now I also like signing them. So I quickly just and I'm Jeweled Art, in case you didn't know already. And I just quickly sign the backs of them. I think that because it's our creation, we should sign them. There you have it. Thank you for watching. This is Gina with Jeweled Art. Make sure to subscribe, like, and follow.